Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And right now we're standing outside a brand new 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport. You guys just bought the vehicle and you probably want to know, does it have power folding side mirrors when you lock up the vehicle? The answer is yes, only on the TrailSport and TrailSport Elite. So you might be asking, how do I turn that on or off? It's easy. Let me show you how to do that now inside. First step is quick and easy. Turn on the vehicle. The vehicle has to be in park so you can access the vehicle settings. Once the touchscreen loads up, we're going to go to the second page to find vehicle settings. Vehicle settings. We're going to find door setup. We're going to scroll down to auto folding door mirrors. You can hit the tally mark over here. Now it's off. Now it's on, or you can select it and select on or off. Let us know down below in the comments. Are you going to use this feature? Yes and no, and why?